How to hide your balance in Exness.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to find a way to hide your balance in Exness so that you can protect your privacy of your account, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or laptop and type in exness.com in the URL box. Make sure that you are logged into your Exness account by entering your credentials as well. Once you're logged into the home page of Exness, you'll be able to see your balance at the top of the screen. If you want to hide your balance like this, all you need to do is to click on the balance and toggle this switch on. You'll then be able to hide your balance right away. If you want to show your balance back again, toggle off the switch right next to hide balance and there you go. This is helpful when you don't want others to see your balance on the Exness platform, and just like that, your balance is hidden from prying eyes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.